The police and military have a lot of awesome gadgets to play with. These 10 police and military inventions you will not believe are some of the most impressive tools they have at their disposal that aren't totally top secret. Before we get started, make sure you hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you can keep up to date with all our latest and most exciting content. Number 10. Holmatro Door Blaster. The Holmatro Door Blaster makes getting through any door an absolute breeze, offering exceptional door breaching capabilities. It's a powerful tool, able to bust open high-resistance doors, doors with multiple locks, or inward opening doors. The best part about the Door Blaster is that it's much quieter than using explosives to breach locked or barricaded doors. This helps maintain some element of surprise, and also doesn't end up tossing shrapnel around, which can potentially be a deadly hazard if things go awry. The Door Blaster opens any door in mere seconds and uses a pneumatic hydraulic drive, which also means that the pump itself produces no sound at all. The Door Blaster is light and compact, easily carried around and used by one operator, saving on manpower and letting others take up tactical positions. Its small size also means that it will snag on objects much less often, helping to keep your approach as stealthy as possible. Installing the Door Blaster on a target door is as easy as pushing the button down to clamp it in place. The Door Blaster even has a remote control, so you can operate it from a safe distance once it's set and ready for blasting. You can both activate the Door Blaster and release it with the push of a button. A backpack houses additional accessories, featuring quick-release clasps for easy access. The pack carries your pump, bottle, and converter, keeping them in one easy-to-reach place that also leaves your hands free. The Door Blaster can be used repeatedly without issue, and can even be adapted to open single-lock doors with limited damage, thanks to a detachable pushing cylinder. Number 9. Lightweight Torpedo. Created by Saab, this is all about anti-submarine warfare. It was originally developed for the Swedish Navy, but is now open to a wider market. It includes a state-of-the-art digital homing system, allowing for both fire and forget and wire-guided operations. It also uses intuitive AI to instantly adapt to irregular or difficult hydroacoustic conditions. This awesome little torpedo is able to be fired from multiple systems right out of the box, so it's also amazingly versatile, making it the perfect addition to any naval armada. You can remotely fire the torpedoes from aircraft, helicopters, ships, and subs, which allows the Saab lightweight torpedo to be used in a wide variety of situations. Another highlight is the ability to manually load torpedoes in chutes if necessary. These torpedoes are fast, accurate, and reliable, and are even able to record mission data for analysis or training. Number 8. Battleskin Viper Helmet. This combat helmet is labeled as a stealthy aramid system, and it's designed to be used mainly by law enforcement, special ops teams, and SWAT personnel. The Viper comes in a few different styles, with Battleskin offering full cut, mid cut, high cut, or full cut complete systems that are tricked out with a mandible guard, face shield, and multiple attachment points. The helmet allows for night vision scope attachments to be added for superior vision in low light or no light conditions, and uses a standard harness that's padded for comfort. A front mount and interlocking long rails that trace the sides of the helmet add plenty of extra versatility. All the components can be easily added or removed to help tailor the helmet to your specific mission before heading out. And it even has custom liner options that apply ergonomic principles to offer lasting comfort. Sizes range from small to extra large, and the weight of a fully kitted out helmet is 1,465 grams. The helmet can effectively stop most small caliber weapons fire and meets the US Army standards for impact protection. Number 7. The Crook Hook. The Crook Hook is a remote-controlled attachment that fits across the front of a squad car. If a vehicle decides to pull chase, or officers suspect that they might run, they can maneuver behind the target vehicle and flip a switch to raise the hook. This prevents the car from going anywhere, and also prevents it from sustaining any damage in the process. The hook exerts just the right amount of pressure to prevent the vehicle from moving without actually lifting it up, which puts unnecessary stress on the hook and the car in question. Even powerful V8s can't escape the Crook Hook, as it immobilizes even the most impressive muscle cars without breaking a sweat. Number 6. Third Arm. This wearable exoskeleton attachment offers soldiers a third arm, increasing their capabilities in the field. It's designed to be lightweight and rugged, working rather intuitively to always be in the right position no matter what stance a soldier happens to use. It stays out of the way, working in the background at all times. You can hook guns or defensive shields up to the robotic arm, allowing you to keep one arm free while aiming and firing your weapon with the other. The third arm isn't quite ready for real-world battleground use, but testing is almost complete, so we expect to have plenty more information on it in the near future. Number 5. Hoverbike S3. This hoverbike is supposedly being adopted by the Dubai police force, and we think it's a pretty badass move, even though the decision does have plenty of opponents. The hoverbike is totally electric, with a vertical takeoff and landing. The Dubai police have already begun training to use these futuristic crime-fighting vehicles, and if they follow through with their plan, they could be using them for everyday patrols sooner rather than later. These bikes are also available for other consumers, although all buyers are thoroughly screened ahead of time to ensure that they're up to the task of riding a hoverbike to begin with. So if you plan on getting up to some mischief overseas, you should probably avoid going to Dubai, or you could risk being chased down by a cop on a hoverbike. Number 4. TCAD drone. This drone was developed to help keep troops safe by keeping them off the front lines. It's built to tackle difficult or potentially dangerous situations from the air, working perfectly as a defensive, offensive, and surveillance tool. It's basically a tiny airborne weapons system and uses advanced algorithms and AI to stabilize itself even when it's laying down sustained fire on an enemy location. This makes it extremely effective, and Duke Robotics, the company behind the drone, envisions sending swarms to quickly overpower and incapacitate enemy forces before they can even fire a shot. The 6 degrees of Freedom robotic gimbal can carry up to 3 times its weight at the moment, allowing an impressive range of weapons to be fitted on the drone, although it's not quite ready to put into widespread production quite yet. The drone is also lightweight, allowing soldiers to easily carry it around with them while they're in the field, deploying it in a few seconds if the need arises. Number 3. Polaris Dagger. The Dagger is an ultralight tactical vehicle that allows for the quick and safe transport of up to 9 people, including their gear. The Dagger is ridiculously versatile, designed for maximum loading space. It can be refitted for pretty much any task you can imagine and can be used effectively across all terrain. It's also certified for rapid air transport and low-velocity airdrops, letting you easily move it from A to B by helicopter if needed without worrying about damaging the vehicle at all. Built to keep maintenance to a minimum, the Dagger is easy to keep running and all access points can be opened without the aid of tools. Furthermore, the Dagger uses components that are readily available, so picking up spares is an easy process. Controls are standardized and intuitive, with excellent suspension resulting in impressive handling and maneuverability. A 4,000-pound payload capacity means you can pile whatever you like on your Dagger, and its 500-mile range will get you where you need to go with minimal hassle. A 24-volt auxiliary power terminal is provided, and the Dagger is powered by a turbo diesel JP8 engine. It weighs 8,500 pounds in total and measures 178 inches long by 74 inches wide. The Dagger can also tow up to 6,500 pounds. Number 2. Dogo. This menacing robot is actually designed to be an ultralight handheld anti-terror helper and is supposed to add extra support for troops or other personnel who need to engage in close quarters combat. It has been dubbed a tactical combat robot and carries a 9mm Glock pistol to help operators take out enemy combatants without exposing themselves in the process. It can be controlled remotely, and the weapon safety can be engaged or disengaged quickly and easily. This handy little battle companion is perfect for hostage rescue situations, urban warfare, and advanced target detection or surveillance. The robot weighs 10 kilos and is compatible with most small pistols, allowing you to switch the stock Glock out for something a little more customized. Two-way audio allows for easy negotiations, and 8 color cameras and 5 selectable real-time channels let you motor Dogo around while easily avoiding obstacles. It has night and low light vision capabilities, has a multi-layer firing system, and can even record footage of an operation for review later on. The Dogo can also be fitted with a less lethal pepper spray canister if you find that using a Glock to take out your enemies is a little too heavy-handed for you. Number 1. Bulletproof Origami Shield. This folding Kevlar vest is sleek, versatile, functional, and stylish, offering excellent all-around protection. This product is designed to be a solid origami-inspired bulletproof shield that can protect multiple people from targeted gunfire. It's also a great way to protect vehicles, gear, or a fortified position, adding an extra layer of bullet-stopping protection. It can be set up and broken down in only a few seconds, and doesn't take any prior training to use effectively. The barrier only takes around 5 seconds to deploy and folds up into a very small package when it's not being used, allowing for easy transport and storage. The origami crease pattern uses 12 layers of Kevlar that expand around a group of people as they unfurl. The entire barrier only weighs around 55 pounds, which is surprisingly light given how large it is when fully deployed. This is about 1/3 the weight of traditional steel shields, and the bulletproof origami shield still offers the same amount of protection. It can routinely stop 9mm, .357 Magnum, and .44 Magnum rounds fired by pistols. That being said, it's not rated to stop larger and more powerful rifle bullets. Even so, the bulletproof origami shield is perfect for anyone who may find themselves in the line of fire. It's a simple and convenient life-saving device that's mostly marketed to police departments and the military. The barrier can also be used to slowly advance on a position, moving it a few steps at a time while staying safe from gunfire. And that's 10 police and military inventions you will not believe. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and let us know in the comments what you think. Check out our other videos and subscribe to be part of the fun. Click on the notification icon so you can see our new videos as soon as they're uploaded. That's it for now.